come, our relations in terms of trade and investment will touch much higher heights. We have already agreed, and today I believe this is also spelled out, that in the next 3 years we will increase our bilateral trade by $5 billion. Brother Mehmet is smiling. It's a solid proof that this will happen. During my visit to Turkey in the month of May, we were given a very warm welcome over there by President Tayyip Erdogan, my brother and a very visionary leader. And we had very fruitful and productive discussions with business community over there, and agreed to meet in Ankara again and in Islamabad to further our discussion. And here we are, within a span of less than 2 months, Turkish delegation is here, as desired by President Tayyip Erdogan, and we have inked this agreement a while ago. But now I would like to address my Turkish business brothers and sisters and Pakistani business community, that here is an opportunity that we must cash upon. Turkey has tremendous experience in constructing hydel power projects, and Turkey has done this in Turkey and outside Turkey. They have great experience and expertise. We would welcome Turkish companies to come and invest in Pakistan in hydel power generation, because by the grace of God Almighty, we have been bestowed upon infinite sources of hydel power generation in the north of Pakistan, which remain unexplored as I speak. So I would invite